New by 16 here, and I'm showing you some of my top 10 wallets. Okay. Now this is really red and white quadfold, I guess. Has 3 things in each. And a money pocket, right here. Next is a bifold. It has a money pocket, it's red and black. Pocket has 6 credit card holders and 1 right here. Next is a white, purple, and black. It has a money pocket, Velcro, and 2 holders, credit card holders. Next one, another one in black, a resin-based color, Velcro, and money. 4 holders. Next one. It's a red cardboard, but has 2 credit card holders in each. And a money pocket, right here, taped on to the inside. So I got one more to show you. It's my last one. It's my red one, probably one of my best. And money holder, credit cards. So yep, and one more. Forgot. My white one. It's kind of hard to see right now because it's white, but it has 6 pockets and a money holder. Alright, that's all. Merry Christmas. If you want to buy any, send it to you through eBay or send it to you in mail. Whatever you want. $2 to $1 each. So, see ya. Merry Christmas.